Hello lovelies and welcome back to Kayi's Corner. I'm Kayi and now we'll be sharing how we cook rice and beans in Togo, which is called Ayimolou and Waakye in Ghana. Bienvenue sur Kayi's Corner, j'espère que vous allez super bien. Je suis Kayi et aujourd'hui je partage la recette d'Ayimolou avec vous qu'on appelle communément Waakye au Ghana. Et voilà tous les ingrédients dont on aura besoin. So guys, I will be showing you all the ingredients we're going to need to cook this delicious, very colorful and yummy-licious dish. Donc, c'est les ingrédients dont on aura besoin et quelque chose qui est très important qu'on appelle Akam. Je vais vous montrer ça aussi. Donc, ce sera les 3 ingrédients. These are the 3 ingredients we're going to need to prepare Ayimolou. We call it Akam. And this is my water. Once it's boiled, I'm going to add the basin, cover it, let it cook for 25 minutes. By then, it will be halfway cooked. So it's not too hard, it's not too soft, it's just in the middle. And at that point, I will be adding my rice. Et je vais laisser ça cuire pendant 20-25 minutes. Le haricot sera moitié cuit. Et puis, je vais ajouter mon riz. This, we call it Akam in Togo. And that is going to give the perfect color to the rice. On aura besoin de Akam pour donner la couleur parfaite à notre Ayimolou. So now I'm going to pour the beans in now. Some people soak it, but we don't soak it. You can see the color has already changed. Vous pouvez voir que la couleur a changé. Je vais ajouter mon haricot maintenant. I'm going to add the beans now. And I'm going to cover it. I have to leave a little space here because of the Akam. When it starts boiling, I don't want it to splash all over here. So make sure you don't close it tightly. I'll let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. At that point, the beans will be cooked halfway, then I can add the rice. Donc je vais laisser cuire pendant 15 à 20 minutes et à ce point, l'haricot sera cuit à moitié, donc je peux ajouter le riz. In the meantime, I'm going to cook pasta. That's how we combine it. Supposed to be how I want it now. Do you see how rich this color is? The beans is exactly how I want it. Time to add the rice. L'haricot est exactement comme je veux, à moitié cuit. Maintenant, je vais ajouter mon riz. A little bit of salt to taste. Ajouter un peu de sel. Je vais laisser cuire pendant 15 à 20 minutes et là le riz sera prêt. I will cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes. At that time, the rice and peas should be ready. Cook it once or twice. By then it should be ready for a little bit because you don't want the beans to be mashed up. So lower your heat as well. And peas is cooking. I'm going to prepare my galifoto. Galifoto is just gari. We add a little bit of water. You can add a tiny bit of salt if you want to, and then you just mix it, and we call it galifoto. And I'll add a little bit of stew on top of it. Maintenant, je vais préparer le galifoto, simplement du gari. On moule un peu avec de l'eau et vous pouvez ajouter un peu de sel aussi si vous voulez. going to use the same stew, a little bit of it, to make my gari photo. Look at this, so beautiful. You can see my beans is pretty much intact, it's not smashed. It's because once it's cooked halfway, I add my rice at that time straight away. So that is what helped the beans just to be exactly like this. So now we're going to cover it up for another 10 minutes and the rice and peas will be ready. Look at this rich, beautiful color. Let me cover it up now. Our rice should be ready. Let's check it. Yes, perfect. Yeah, I like mine a little bit fluffy. If you want it all together like this, then you add a little bit more water whilst you're adding the rice and it will be like that. But I like mine fluffy. See, so it's ready to be served. Guys, now everything is ready. Perfect stew. I don't like too much oil, but if you're going to save this for few days, make sure you have a little bit of oil, on top of it to preserve it. And my special shito that goes perfectly with the Ayimolou, my pasta and the gali photo. I'm very sure that you love this recipe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure notification bell is on. And I will see you all in my next video. And please do me a big favor, try this recipe and let me know what you think. But I'm 1000% sure you're going to love it. Look how colorful, beautiful and extremely rich this dish is. So rich, isn't it? You have your beans and everything right here to enjoy. I will see you in my next one. Take care. Vous avez aimé cette recette? N'oubliez pas aussi de partager avec la famille et les amis. Abonnez-vous aussi si vous n'êtes pas encore abonné à ma chaîne. Et à très bientôt. Au revoir.